Hi everybody, welcome to Logos classes. Today I will do some question number 7 of exercise 1.1 class 7 maths chapter 1 integers. What is the question number 7? In question number 7 they have given two square with some numbers. Square means length and breadth are same, and if one side, if there are 3 rows, 3 columns should be there. That makes a square. If it is 5 rows, 5 columns, 10 rows, 10 columns, length and breadth same. Two squares are given with some integers. We have to find out which one is a magic square out of these two figures given. What is a magic square? A magic square means if integers are marked on that magic square, the sum of each row and sum of each column and sum of each diagonal should be same. Then only we can say it is a magic square. What is a row? A row means from left to right. That means a row means from left to right. You can say right to left also, but normally we say row left to right. That means horizontal. A column means top to bottom. Top to bottom. That is vertical. Diagonal means join the one vertex to the other vertex. Join opposite vertices. That means corner to corner. In this square, a square or a rectangle, there are two diagonals. See, from this corner to this corner and from this top corner to bottom corner. Two diagonals. That are diagonals. So, when you are adding the integers, you should get always the same answer. Then only you can say either this or this is a magic square. Both are squares. Which one is the magic square? That is the question. Let us find out the sum of the integers of each row, each column and diagonals. Sum of the diagonals for both 1 and 2 picture. So row I told you from left to right, column means from top to bottom, then diagonal means opposite vertices. You have to take these opposite vertices or corner to corner figures. This corner to this corner, this corner to this corner. Okay? Now, the first square I marked here. This is R1 means this row 1, R2 means row 2, R3 means row 3. Here C1 means column 1, column 2, column 3. So I will write here R1 sum or sum of R1 sum. You can understand sum of the first row R1 sum equals 5. 5 means plus 5 I told you. Plus minus 1 plus minus 4. This is addition of integers. I told you addition of integers means you have to add positive integers separately, negative integers separately, then take the difference, put the sign of the biggest number. Here one integer is plus 5 plus there are two negative integers. Minus 1 and minus 4. Sum of two negative integers is a negative integer. This means 5, this is equal to 5 plus minus 5, which is equal to, one is plus 5, another is minus 5. What is the difference of plus 5 and minus 5? 0. There is no sign for 0. It is neither positive nor negative. So this is 0. What is the sum of R2? R2 sum. Sum of R2 row, that is row number 2 equals minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7. 7 means plus 7, which is equal to minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7 plus 7 plus 7. That is minus 7 plus 7, which is again equal to 0. R3 sum. What is R3 sum? R3 sum equals 0 plus 3 plus minus 3. What is this? 0 plus 3 plus, that is equal to 3 plus minus 3. 3 plus minus 3, which is again equal to 3 plus minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3. Difference is 0, sign, no sign for that. Again 0. All the 3 rows, the sum we got it as 0. Now we take the sum of C1. C1 sum, that is C1 sum. Column number 1 sum is equal to 5 plus minus 5 plus 0, which is equal to plus 5. 5 means plus 5. Plus 5 plus minus 5. Plus 5 plus minus 5. One is plus 5, one is minus 5. The answer is 0. Again, column number C2 sum. Column number C2, the sum is minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 3. What is the answer? Minus 1 plus minus 2. Sum of two negative numbers is minus 1 plus minus 2 minus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 0. Column number 3, that sum is equal to minus 4 negative integer plus 7 positive integer plus minus 3. First you add the negative integers. Minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7 plus 7. So the answer is plus 7 minus 7, which is equal to 0. So all the 3 rows and all the 3 columns, we got the correct answer, 0, 0, 0. Now we have to check the sum of the diagonals. Diagonals, D1, you can see this is this corner, D1, you can see D1, and from this or this way, opposite way, any way you can take is D2. Diagonal 1 sum, diagonal 1, D1 sum, diagonal 1 sum is, see, so diagonal from corner to corner, that is 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 4. Here 0, no value. Minus 2 plus minus 4. Sum of two negative integers will be equal to a negative integer, which is equal to minus 6. Now the second diagonal, you can take from here or from here, from top to bottom or bottom to top, diagonal, corner to corner. That is D2. D2 sum is equal to 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. So here also two negative integers, minus 2 and minus 3, that is minus 5. Here is 5 in plus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 means this is equal to plus 5 minus 5, which is equal to 0. So here 3 rows and 3 columns and 2 diagonals out of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, all the 7 we are getting 0, but one diagonal, the total sum we are getting is minus 6. So it cannot be a magic square because diagonally it is not equal to the sum of the other rows and columns or diagonal. One diagonal is not tallying, not agreeing with the result. Now we go to the second figure. There also second figure R1. R1 sum of the first row, R1 sum is equal to the first row, that is 1 plus minus 10 plus 0, which is equal to 1 plus minus 10. See, 1 is plus 1, you are adding one positive integer with another negative integer. 1 plus minus 10, that is the negative integer. That means take the difference. Difference of plus 1 and 10. Take out the sign. 1 and 10, the difference is 10 minus 1 is 9. And the sign is bigger number sign. Place the sign of the bigger number 10, that is minus 9. R2 sum, same way, R2 sum is equal to R2 minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. What is the answer? See? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. 3 negative integers. 3 negative, any number of negative integers, the sum will be a negative integer. So add the number 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9. The sign is minus 9. R3 sum equals minus 6 plus 4, that is 4 plus minus 7. See, 1 positive integer, 2 negative integers. What is 2 negative integer sum? It will be a negative integer. Minus 6 and minus 7. Minus 6 plus minus 7 is equal to minus 13 plus 4. One is negative, one is positive. Adding. Take the difference, take out the sign. See the number 13 and 7. What is the difference? It is 9. It is equal to, difference is 9. What is the sign of the bigger number? Place that sign, that is minus 9. So 3 rows sum is finished. Now comes the column C1. C1 sum is equal to, what is C1 sum? 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6. See, 2 negative integers, minus 4 and minus 6 you are adding. Minus 4 plus minus 6 is minus 10. Plus 1. So again minus and plus, take the difference, that is 9. Place the sign of the bigger number, minus 9. C2, what is the C2 sum? C2 sum equals C2. Minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4 plus 4, that is plus 4 only. No need of writing sign. Minus 10 plus minus 3 is minus 13. Then again plus 4. One is minus integer, one is plus 4. That positive integer, negative integer. The difference is 9. What is the sign of the bigger number? Minus 9. What is C3? Sum of C3, column 3 of the second figure. 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7. Here you are adding 2 negative integers, minus 2 plus minus 7. That is minus 9. It's okay. All of minus. Now take the sum of the diagonals. From here, diagonal means D1. Diagonal D1 of the second figure. This is D2. From here to here or here to here. No issues. D2. That is D1 sum. D1 sum equals minus 6 plus minus 3 plus 0. Minus 6 plus minus 3. Sum of 2 negative integers is a negative integer. Minus 6 plus minus 3, minus 9 plus 0, minus 9 itself. So minus 9. Then diagonally 2, the sum of diagonally integers 2, this one. From here to here or here to here. 1 plus minus 3, 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7. Again comes minus 3 plus minus 7 is minus 10, and it is plus 1 here. So one is negative integer, one is positive integer, plus minus 10 and plus 1. The difference is 9. Sign of the biggest number is minus 9. So here all the 3 rows R1, R2, R3, all the 3 columns C1, C2, C3 and the diagonally with D1 and D2, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2, you are getting everywhere the The answer is, the sum is minus 9. So, the given figure, two figures, 1 and 2, the second one is a magic square. We will see the next question in my next video.